So in this video we're going to show how to change the battery in this Hyundai key fob. Now before you attempt to do this, make sure that the key fob is exactly the same as this particular type. This is off an i10, i20, i30 and I believe a couple of the other models also use it. You can see there's three buttons with a little chrome surround. It's got this quite heavy chrome metal frame for the key ring, and then on the back it's split into two sort of sections with the Hyundai logo and this larger section here. Okay, to change the battery is a fairly straightforward process. Now you probably won't need any special tools, but the battery can be awkward to get out, so you can use something like a very thin tipped flat point screwdriver, for example. Now to get to the battery, simply all we need to do is we're going to put a thumb into this gap here, and then we're going to force this cover off. Okay, so we thumb under this lip here, get a thumb under this lip, and then we just force the cover off. So if you watch here, all I do is just put my thumb in there and then just pull it, and you can see the cap has come off. Just be careful when you take this off that the ring seal here is still in place. If it isn't, obviously it just slips in place, and make sure it's located properly before you put the cap back on. So looking inside here now, we can see, let's have a look. Yeah, we can see this is the standard default battery. You can see it's a Panasonic CR2032 3-volt battery. Now I have a set of electronic scales, so I've already bought some spare batteries for that. You can see there they are CR2032. They're not Panasonic, but they're exactly the same size, same voltage, etc, etc. And I got these off eBay or Amazon, wherever, so they're fairly cheap. Now to get the battery out, you can see it's located in with these four little locating lugs to hold it in place. You should be able to slide the battery down. Can you see that? See how the battery slides down? And then if I press at the bottom, I can get my finger in at the top. So now this is why I said you might need a screwdriver, because I've recently cut my nails and so I'm finding it difficult to grab hold of small items. But there it goes, you can see I have managed it, and that's the battery out. And obviously the simple replacement is to take one of your new batteries, and then we just place it in, push it down, squeeze it, and then just make sure it's located back in the top two locators. Okay, so when we've done that, making sure that the O seal is in the correct location, all we have to do is just put the cap back on, locate it, and then press firmly, and you hear it snap into place. That's it. And then a quick test, just pressing the lock and unlock, and you should see the little flashing LED to show that there's now power there. And that's how to replace the battery.